Federal student loan payments are soon to resume for millions across the country. The Biden administration has released a new plan they say will help many borrowers out. News 12's Nick Hill spoke with a local economist to learn how it works and if it'll stick around. Nick.
Emily, back in June, the Supreme Court ruled the president's plans to strike down $10,000 to $20,000 worth of student loan debt as unconstitutional. As payments resume next month, the SAVE plan has been offered up as a source of relief. But there is a lot to untangle.
I think there's room to coalesce behind something like this.
The SAVE plan is an income-driven repayment plan being offered to federal student loan borrowers. The SAVE plan replaces the Repay plan, which was the federal government's previous income-driven repayment plan.
The most important thing it's going to do, on average, is going to reduce the monthly payment for a typical borrower from a maximum of, let's say, 10% of their annual income down to about 5%.
The SAVE plan increases the income exemption level from 150% above the poverty line to 225% above the poverty line to avoid having monthly payments depending on household size. Under the plan as well, unpaid interest would not be added if a borrower met their monthly minimum payment. Hopkins says there are numerous arguments on both sides on if this plan will work in the long term.
Why should a student loan be treated any differently than a car loan or a mortgage or credit card debt? Why not just forgive my car loan, what's left of it? So there's a fundamental problem with fairness. There's a fundamental problem with fairness to all the borrowers who repaid their loans on time. On the other hand, the student loan program as it exists is badly broken.
However, he does say it will likely not see the same fate as the previous loan forgiveness push.
There will be some challenges to it. Legal challenges, perhaps not so much, but there are some members of Congress that are threatening legislation to undo the program. But fundamentally, I think this one's probably going to stick.
For example, under this plan, a single person who makes under $32,000 would qualify to have no monthly payments. Borrowers are not automatically enrolled into the plan. You do have to enroll on the federal student aid website.